Hi, good morning. Just want to do a little update. I'll probably do these videos on Fridays is when I have time. I have got a wheel painted. I was trying to figure out what color I wanted to go with. I went with a metallic gray, cheapest paint I could get. Kind of matches some of the suspension components, front axle, and I've got more of the loader painted. Just this really thick paint is hard to get off. I mean, I'm using razor blade scrapers, paint stripper, sandpaper, you name it, I've tried it. It's just extremely thick paint. And then somebody else put lacquer primer over the top of a lot of the parts of the tractor, so that didn't really help. They didn't prep it beforehand, so it doesn't stick well. Well, that's what I got going on right now. I got the garden planted. It's a 50-acre property here. Pseudo farm. Some chickens around, cat, a couple ducks and a goose. But working on this wheel here, sanding it. Like I said, this stuff is super thick. And it's rusty, and I hate sanding. But like I said, just a quick update. Show the progress. Got a wheel painted. Most of the loader. I think I have just enough to finish the upper arm on it. And then I'll backmask the hydraulic lines and paint those black just to have some kind of contrast. Hope everybody's doing well. See you next time.